What are the most powerful climate actions we can take? That is a great question. And when it comes to climate action, there are three different things that we need to do. To explain these, I want to use the metaphor of a swimming pool, an above-ground swimming pool like I grew up with when I was little. Now imagine that the swimming pool is like the atmosphere, and the level of water in the swimming pool is the level of heat-trapping gases in the atmosphere. Our planet has a natural blanket of heat-trapping gases that keep us at just the perfect temperature for life. So before the Industrial Revolution, we had just the right amount of water in our pool, so to speak, that our toes could just touch the ground. But then came the Industrial Revolution when we started to dig up massive amounts of coal and then oil and gas and burn it. So it's as if we stuck a hose into our swimming pool, and we've been turning the hose up every year. The first year of the pandemic, we turned it down 7%, and then we turned it right back up again. So what's been happening? As we've been turning up the hose every year, the level of water in the swimming pool has been going up faster and faster. So what's the first thing we need to do? We need to turn off the hose. How do we do that? Through efficiency, clean energy, behavioral change, figuring out how not to be so wasteful with our energy and how to get our energy from clean sources that don't produce this carbon pollution that's been building up in the atmosphere. But our pool also has a drain. That drain is nature. By making that drain bigger, we can help nature take our carbon out of the atmosphere where we have too much of it and put it back into soil and ecosystems where we want it. Grasslands, coastal wetlands, forests, and more. Even farmers' fields. There's one more thing we have to do though. For many people, their toes can no longer touch the ground. We have to help people learn how to swim. That is building resilience and adapting to climate change in terms of how we grow our food, how we allocate our water, how we design and build our homes and our cities and our communities. We can't do just one, we have to do all three. Turn off the hose, make the drain bigger, and learn how to swim.